Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to cover general concepts in statistics. Population versus sample. Population is a set of similar items or events of interest to a question or experiment. A statistical population can be a set of existing objects or a hypothetical and potentially infinite set of objects designed as a generalization from experience. Sample is an analytical subset of a larger population. Using samples allows researchers to conduct research in a timely manner with more manageable data. If the random sample is large enough, there is not much bias, but generating such a sample can be expensive and time-consuming. The size of the sample is always less than the total size of the population. Examples of sample and population. For the sample examples, we can say group of friends from an event, and for population, we can take everyone in that event. For sample, some players of a basketball team, and for population, everyone on that basketball team. Sampling types. Random sampling. Taking observations from population randomly. Everyone has equal chance of being chosen. Convenience sampling. Observations that are easier to include in the sample are chosen. Systematic sampling. Observations taken in a systematic way. Qualitative versus quantitative data. Qualitative data is not numerical data. Quantitative data is the numerical data.